Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris and I am back with another charm DIY. And if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for tuning in, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so that you know when I upload another DIY. Today we're going to learn how to make shower steamers. I use them all the time. So if you want to learn how to make shower steamers, please stay tuned. And also the link for the blog post with all the specific ingredients and the cups, measurements, all that stuff will be down below. So check that out for further information, and let's get into it. Alright, so the ingredients you'll need to make your shower steamers is 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of citric acid, 35 drops of essential oil. I use eucalyptus, but you can also use lavender, grapefruit, any essential oil you like. And you'll also need a silicone mold. This one I got from Amazon. I can link it in the description below. And then you'll also need a spray bottle with water in it. So first you'll just combine the baking soda and the citric acid, making sure there's no lumps in it. And one thing I like about this recipe is that you can get all these things from Walmart. Alright, so after I got all the lumps out, I just took a whisk and just mixed it all together. You can do this with your hand. You don't actually need a whisk to do it. I just like to make sure it's all mixed up. And then you'll add your essential oils. And mix it again. So at the same time now, I'm gonna mix it and spray the water. Now, over this about 30 seconds, I would say, I sprayed about 7 to 8 times. Any more than that, and it would have caused a reaction with the citric acid and the baking soda. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you mix it really well. And at this point, I just want to make sure that I did put enough water in it, so I just squeeze it together and make sure that it can hold. It doesn't need to be too tight because these are shower steamers instead of bath bombs, but I do want them to dry and set correctly. And after that, you're just going to want to pack them into the mold. And this is the point where you'll really know where you added too much water. The first time I made these, I added way too much water, and I packed them into the mold and it just kept fizzing. So you don't want that to happen because they ended up looking like muffins because it just rose so high. So I just let mine dry overnight, but sometimes they do take 24 hours. I've even seen people say they take 48 hours. I guess it depends on the climate you're in. So the next morning I just popped them out and they were all dry and ready to use. In order to package them, you can put them in plastic wrap or just put them in an airtight container. I like to shrink wrap them. With the amount of essential oil we use, make sure these are only used as shower steamers. I will be putting up a bath bomb recipe soon, but do not use these as bath bombs. When placing your shower steamers in the shower, you're going to want to put it like in the back corner or next to the drain where it can get just a little bit of water. I don't put it in the direct stream of water because it'll just fizz out completely way too fast.